Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about intercompany transactions available in D365. In D365 Finance and Operation, there are two types of intercompany transactions available. First is intercompany journals and second is intercompany purchase order and sales order. So in first scenario, first type, what system will use intercompany journals to post transaction between intercompanies. Like for example, company A purchased a goods from vendor, and on behalf of company A, B is paying to that vendor. So in that case, intercompany accounting is applicable and intercompany journals will be used and debit and credit will be posted as per the intercompany accounting. In second scenario, intercompany, what A will do, if A company A require some goods, so it will create a purchase order, and in B company it will automatically create a sales order. So these are two scenario. So today we will be covering about the intercompany journal scenario, which is called intercompany accounting. So let's start. I hope the scenario part is clear. Today we will be covering about the setup part. So once this scenario is clear, let's go with the setup. So basic setup is to create intercompany journals. So for creating journal, you have to go to general ledger, journal setup, journal names. Here, create a journal name of journal type daily, where you will define your journal name and description and your voucher series. So once it is defined, the journal part is clear. We can use the journals. Now, second part is, let's come to the setup part of main account. Make sure you have two main account and that will be a unique main account in both the companies. For example, let's take this main account, intercompany receivable, and second main account will be intercompany payable. So first account will be, the receivable account will be asset account and payable account will be liability account. So make sure this account is unique and for both the legal entities. So same account can be used in both the legal entity for originating and destination legal entity. Now, if you are using multiple legal entities, for example, A, B, and C and D, so in that case, you have to make main account like this, like USSI and GBI, USRT and FRRT, like this. So what it will do, it will not create a confusion during the reconciliation. That is the main account part. Now let's go to intercompany accounting setup. For that you have to go to general ledger, posting, setup, and intercompany accounting. So once you open here, what you have to do is click on new button and here select your originating company. So it can be like GLCO sorry, GLCO, and here you have to select your main accounts. So let me select, for the purpose of showing you, I will create a dummy setup. So here I will select intercompany debit account and here I will select intercompany credit accounts. So here both the company will use same accounts so far, and debit and credit we have to map. So let's see, let's map this and let's take here some other company as a destination. So here it will be originating and here it will be destination company. Now similarly select the main account. So I will take this main account and map it here. same main account. I will map it here. And the funny part is you have to make sure that same journal is available. So if you see here in GLCO group, there is no company available. So I use this randomly, but you have to make sure in both the companies intercompany journal is available. So let me delete this. So let's take this DEMF and USMF as an example. Here both the accounts are mapped and intercompany journal is available in the both companies. So once you have done, you can see these are the setup. And centralized payments, we will cover this part in some different video because it will be a big chunk of the intercompany accounting. So we will cover it later. Post which, click on this create reciprocal relationship. So it will create, for example, DEMF is originating company. Then it will create one more node over here where USMF will become originating company and DMF will be destination company. So it will not create any problem. See, if you see here, USMF to DMF, it is already available and same main accounts are mapped. Okay. So this is how you can set up the intercompany accounting, and in the process part, I will show you in the next video. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye, see you in the next one.